Because he feels sorry for me. Come on, come on.
What's the other one?
My life is the computer.
Well, click the one.
I think I steal, but I'm too afraid. So I have other people do it for me. And then I tell everyone I stole it. I think I smoke, but I have once and I choked the whole time. I think, let's squeeze our boobs together and take pictures.
Oh my god.
She needs to throw some D's on that bitch.
Looks like Big Bird.
Bitch, you look like Big Bird.
Bitch, you look like Big Bird.
I have my name with the money sign because I can afford that. I'm so rich. Come on. Because you think she's so rich.
Don't
This is how I dance.
What?
Ka.
Ka 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 ka.
Like, okay, it looks like I have boobs now. Finally, it's about time. I didn't even have to pay for them. What else does she do? Oh yeah, the thing about how she talks shit about people to make herself feel better.
I know. Because no one likes her and everybody thinks she's ugly.
Because she is. Have you seen her face? I mean, it's like, ugh. It's uglier than
This bag of chips.
than that grandma. What else does she do?
I'm cool. Whoa, wow.
Also, she thinks that everyone is her best friend.
Thing.
She has,
Like that.
yeah, and she thinks that everyone in the world is her best friend.
And they're not.
And she can't pick one or two. She's like, oh, you're my best friend. Come. Make sure I don't poke you in the eye with my beak.
And like, and freaking, what do you call it? If you're not on her profile and someone else is, she'll flip out.
Yeah.
So.
And she'll be like, move me higher on your top. Or else I'll eat you.
Or else I'll poke you with my beak.
I'll give you the bird disease.
Oh my god. The bird flu! Fuck you, bitch. I don't squeeze my boobs when I take pictures.
I have anorexia.
Oh my god. Okay, that's a little too far.
For saying that for her saying that I have acne on my face. Do you see any acne? No. Also saying that I'm fat and I have a round face. I don't think so. But hey, the only thing fat about you is your beak. Bye, Birdie.
Back.